Berries fly south for the winter?
Birds.
Birds. Oh. It must have been the E I didn't.
I know some birds.
And,
I love this guy.
She's running for president.
Jamie gets more
okay, they form a V.
They don't form a V, they
And you
form
know
an
how,
arrow.
like, one side has more birds on one side than the other? Yes.
More like a check mark than a V, actually, but
I mean, do you know why, like,
the missing man
Please
formation.
tell me this is not a joke. Because I don't get it already.
Missing
do you
bird
know why,
formation.
like, one side is longer than the other?
Because
But
they're
she-
hauling out.
Because there's more birds on one side.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god.
I didn't get that. What?
Whatever the hell you're doing, dude. What are you doing?
You know how when birds are
weird
flying
game.
south for the winter,
Oh my gosh. Like,
and you know how they form kind of like a check mark, and one side is longer than the other? Do you know why that is? Because there's more birds.
Oh my god.
You know
How can we make the same joke better? You know that when birds... No.
You know how you see ducks in a pond, and they always have their bills underwater? Their heads underwater? Yes. What are they doing? Stop it. What are they doing? They're liquidating their bills.
So when they duck under, are they liquidating their assets?
Nice.
You know what? No, that's not appropriate.
Okay.